Hey guys, this is Miss Braun. Today I'm going to be doing the Lesson 14 problem set, number 2. First, let's read it. Mark and Melissa both measured the same marker with an inch tile, but came up with different lengths. Circle the student work that is correct and explain why you chose that work. So let's take a look at Melissa's work and Mark's work. Melissa said it was 6 inches, and Mark said it was 7 inches. So let's count ourselves to see who's right. Remember, when you're counting, you want to count the space in between because this is an inch, because they used an inch tile. So I'm going to see how many jumps it takes starting at 0. When we use a ruler, remember, we always start at 0. So start right here and jump to see how many times it takes to get to the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks like Melissa's right. So let's go down and look at Mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mark is not correct. He put 7. Melissa is, so go ahead and circle Melissa. But we have to explain this. Why is Melissa correct, and what mistake did Mark maybe make? Well, if he put 7, I can see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines. Mark forgot that you start at 0 when we're measuring, and we're counting the space in between, not the actual lines. So in my explanation, I'm going to write that. Melissa is correct because she started at 0 and counted the spaces. Mark is incorrect because he counted all of the lines and did not start at 0. Go ahead and write out your explanation on your worksheet. You can pause this video if you want to look at my answer and copy it down. Good work today, guys. Always remember to start at 0 when we're measuring.